Across South East Wales, we are proposing a number of changes to improve our vascular service provision and continue to enhance patient care. Following in-depth reviews, national guidance and specialist advice, it is suggested that a hub and spoke model would provide the best level of care. This would mean all our major vascular operations are undertaken at the University Hospital of Wales as the hub, but the majority of care will happen closer to the people's homes in spoke hospitals. This includes pre-operative assessments, investigations and recovery care. Spoke hospitals will be maintained at the Royal Gwent Hospital, Grange University Hospital, Royal Glamorgan Hospital, University Hospital of Languedoc and the University Hospital of Wales. Rehabilitation will continue to take place through all communities and local hospitals across the South East Wales region. There are approximately 1,300 vascular appointments and operations in the South East Wales area every year, and demand is growing. The new model would ensure we can sustainably provide high standards of vascular care to our population. We would value your feedback on these proposed changes designed to improve our vascular services.